people. So it's finally time. The time has come to get the old CRV back out on the road, Grandma. So today is the day we're gonna get it running. The last time we took it out and drowned it, killed the old girl. Well, this is what happened. So we bent the old prop shaft, so we've pulled that off. Look at the big old kink in the old girl. Oh boys, that was a daft move, because it's become apparent that I've killed the old drive shaft. Look at that. Oh, what an idiot. The exhaust hanging off. So we pulled that off and put a new distributor on. Well, I've rebuilt the distributor, cleaned all the airbox out. Freshened the ride up. So yeah, I'm gonna get the old girl back on the road. Just so you can see how abandoned this car is. Old Grandma, been sat there quite a while. She's soaking wet and mouldy inside. Oh, look at the state of it. Oh yeah, there she is, boys. Old Grandma's a runner. So, looking a bit worse for wear. Oh, the front's all smashed in where the old boy pushed me. He pushing me now, boys. Come on, man. Oh, man. Oh, he's killing the front here. Oh. So now I know she's a runner. What are we going to do with it? Well, I'm thinking track day. So that's what we'll be doing. We're going to get the old wheels swapped over. Get the old wheels swapped over. Take her up the road and see what she drives like. Right, so I knew I was going to be doing this daft track day. First thing I do when I get the old girl running. So I bought these crappy wheels. Ferrose or something. Yeah, so I bought these for my track day. So let's get them on. Well, this ain't a good start. They're all bloody flat. I think someone's had my pants down. So they're fronts are 21550. There is about 21550, but they're upset. But yeah. Get these beasts on, get them on the old CRV, see what she looks like. Well, I think there's a leak, but I definitely think we can live with that. It's not too bad, is it? At least the digs are in good condition. I think we should just pull some of the bits out the back. What spares we got? What's fell off it? These are all the bits that fell off. Number plate. Number plate holder. Valance, mud flap, trim, plug cover, more plastic, little number plate, drive shaft clip. That's it. Got some air going in the old girl. Brand new in a minute. Well, I got the old brew going in my baby Grogu cup. This thing needs to hurry up and pump the damn tyre roll. Then we'll get it moved over. Actually looks clean there, but it really ain't clean. But is it gonna make a track day? Oh man, it'll be hilarious taking this thing for a track day. Think at best. Well, it's time to try the old girl out on the street. Last time to pump up. The old screen dripping. Defrosting and that, look at her dripping. She's wet in here. I've got serious leakage, boys. Serious leakage. Whatever. Take the old girl out up the road, I think. Well, people, we've got her out. Taking the old CLV grandma up the road, try her out. Don't feel too bad, to be fair. They're all warmed up and stuff. The screen ain't really that thingy. Oh man, she's floaty. Why does it feel so floaty? Yeah. Quick rip, see if we've got a bit of V-Tec, and put it back to bed. On track. And this machine will be alright on track. What do you reckon? Not really that swervy. Oh. What a funny machine. CRV with V-Tec. Turn. Do a little launch, people. Don't like it. I think I better take this thing home before I blow it up. Clutch ain't liking it. It is a stage 4 clutch, but it is old. It's off my other engine. She ain't got much meat on her. She slipped a bit and it died into second gear, so I don't know. It fell out of the V-Tec, but she's a runner. One last rip, people.